obviously I'm aware that I have brown skin. Something I've known my whole life. Dior did a thing, so I did a thing. I bought the new shade of Lilac Rosy Glow blush from Dior. Now, I will preface this by saying I do have the original 01 pink. Hear me out. I actually really do like this shade. In fact, this blush, when you swatch it, I'm gonna get like a really, really good swatch going. Especially on my skin tone, it is a light blush. Now, I do think it's pretty. When I saw the lilac one, I was like, maybe this is going to be a little bit more, which I would love because I do actually think this blush is very, very pretty. First off, shade comparison, actually more different than I thought it would be. Let's do a swatch of this one right below our other swatch and also kind of dig into this a little bit. To be fair, Dior notoriously swatches badly, and you can truly see that right there. But let's go ahead and try to apply, not judge it too soon, Real Techniques blush, or brush, and go in, do a little swoop-de-swoop. Still not much, but let's try a little bit more. What do you think? I feel as if I do need to put the other blush on the other side, the original pink one on the other side, just to show you. But that's 3 layers. This is a smaller, fluffier brush. We're still going to go in rather heavily with this blush. And let's start with 3 layers so you can kind of see. First layer, I mean, you can kind of see like a tiny bit, but not really much. Granted, I mean, obviously I'm aware that I have brown skin. Something I've known my whole life. But layer 3, do you see like how, and this is still a cool toned blush. Do you see how cool toned this one looks compared to this one? Is it horrible that I kind of still like the original better? This one almost looks a little bit ghosty on me, and nothing against Casper, but I don't necessarily want to look like him. What do you think? Which side's your favorite?